Resistance band bicycle crunch. Here's how to do it step by step. Target muscles. Primary. Rectus abdominis, front abs. Obliques, sides of waist, hip flexors. Secondary quadriceps. Glutes, stabilization, spinal stabilizers. Deep core, transverse abdominis. How to do it. 1. Setup. Lie flat on your back on a mat. Place a resistance band looped around the arches of both feet, or slightly above ankles. Place hands lightly behind your head, elbows open. Fingers supporting but not pulling on your neck. 2. Starting position. Lift your head, shoulders, and upper back slightly off the mat, like a crunch position. Bring both knees toward your chest, feet off the ground. Keep core braced and lower back gently pressed into the mat. 3. Cycling motion. Extend your right leg forward at about a 45-degree angle while pulling your left knee in toward your chest. Switch by extending the left leg forward while pulling the right knee in. Continue alternating in a smooth cycling motion against the band's resistance. 4. Breathing. Exhale as you extend a leg. Inhale as you switch sides. 5 reps. Perform 12 to 20 slow, controlled reps per side, or set a 30 to 60 second timer.